Yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy Breezy. I just wanted to show y'all something, cause this needs to be done. You know the LeBron 13s that just came out? Well, bam! What? That's right, your boy Breezy got them. We're not gonna do a tiptoeing in LeBron's video cause they're not Jordans. We only tiptoeing in our Jordans. Tiptoeing in my Jordans. So yeah, how was life? Today is Friday. We're off from school though, so I'm just sitting back in my room watching TV. Yo, let's holler at Deadpool though. We never did this. Yo, what up, Deadpool? I had this drawing on my wall for a while. You guys probably haven't noticed. I bet you guys saw Hudson before. Yeah, I saw Hudson, and yeah.